be stopped upon a bridge between paradise and hellfire, and revenge will be taken from one of them or other for injustices they had committed in this world among them, until when they all will be civilized and purified. They will have commandment to enter paradise. So by the one in whose hand is my soul, one of them will be more guided of his abode in the paradise in relation to his guidance to his abode that had been for him in this world. Abu Hurairah radiyallahu anhu narrated that Messenger of Allah, peace and blessing be upon him, said, "Nobody shall enter paradise except that he will be shown his seat in the hellfire if he had committed more bad things, so that he will have a chance to be more grateful. And nobody shall enter hellfire except that before that he shall be shown his seat in the paradise had he done good, and it is going to be a matter of sorrow for him." Bukhari